Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. The Maruti Suzuki Alto is one of India's most iconic cars, loved by millions for its affordability, efficiency, and practicality. Since its launch, the Alto has been a favorite among first-time car buyers and small families. It offers the perfect blend of compact size, reliable performance, and low-maintenance costs, making it an ideal choice for urban driving and daily commutes. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Maruti Suzuki Alto, from its design and performance to its features and affordability. Starting with its design, the Maruti Suzuki Alto is a car that perfectly balances simplicity and modernity. Its compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through narrow streets and congested traffic, a common challenge in most Indian cities. Despite its small size, the Alto has a stylish and sleek exterior design, with bold lines and a refined grille that gives it a fresh and youthful look. The car's compact nature also ensures hassle-free parking in tight spaces, adding to its convenience for city dwellers. Under the hood, the Maruti Suzuki Alto is powered by a 796cc three-cylinder petrol engine. This engine produces 47 horsepower and 69 Nm of torque, which might not sound like much, but it's more than enough for a lightweight car like the Alto. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that provides smooth gear shifts and enhances the driving experience. The Alto's lightweight body and compact size ensure quick acceleration and easy handling, making it a breeze to drive in urban areas. One of the standout features of the Alto is its fuel efficiency. The petrol version offers an impressive mileage of around 22 kilometers per liter, while the CNG variant pushes this even further, making it one of the most economical cars in its segment. This makes the Alto an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who are looking to save on fuel costs without compromising on performance. When it comes to the interiors, the Maruti Suzuki Alto surprises with its smart and functional design. The cabin offers ample headroom and legroom for a car of its size, ensuring a comfortable ride for up to 5 passengers. The dashboard has a clean and ergonomic layout, featuring a digital speedometer and a touchscreen infotainment system in higher trims. This infotainment system supports essential connectivity options like Bluetooth, USB, and aux, allowing you to stay entertained on the go. Safety has been a key focus for Maruti Suzuki, and the Alto is equipped with several safety features that meet modern standards. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and reverse parking sensors are some of the features included to enhance safety. The car's sturdy build and compliance with crash safety norms make it a reliable option for everyday driving. Another reason why the Alto remains a top choice in the entry-level segment is its low maintenance cost. Maruti Suzuki is known for its extensive service network across India, which ensures that Alto owners have access to affordable and reliable after-sales service. Spare parts are readily available, and the car's simple design makes it easy to maintain, further reducing ownership costs. Over the years, the Maruti Suzuki Alto has evolved to meet changing customer needs while maintaining its core values of affordability and practicality. The latest model comes with BS6-compliant engines, updated features, and a more refined design, keeping it competitive in the ever-evolving automotive market. For first-time car buyers, the Alto offers a hassle-free ownership experience. Its proven reliability and resale value make it an excellent investment. Whether you're looking for a car to handle daily commutes or need a reliable second vehicle for the family, the Alto ticks all the right boxes. The Alto also appeals to environmentally conscious buyers with its factory-fitted CNG variant. This option not only reduces running costs, but also minimizes the car's carbon footprint, making it a greener choice for urban driving. In conclusion, the Maruti Suzuki Alto remains a legendary car in the Indian automotive market. Its combination of compact design, excellent fuel efficiency, modern features, and affordability has made it a household name across the country. Whether you're navigating the busy streets of a metro city or exploring small-town roads, the Alto delivers a hassle-free driving experience. If you're considering buying a new car and want something economical, reliable, and easy to maintain, the Maruti Suzuki Alto should be at the top of your list. Its proven track record and continuous updates ensure it remains a trusted companion for millions of Indian families. Thank you for watching this video on the Maruti Suzuki Alto. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Alto, or if there's another car you'd like us to review. See you in the next video.